Get all the AI superpowers you want. No subscriptions, no limits. Meet QuantumVerse AI, the world's first AI platform where you can use every top AI model and all their versions, even future updates, all from one easy dashboard. No monthly fees, no messing around with API setups. With QuantumVerse AI, you can do it all: create, write, design, make videos and voiceovers, and even run automations, all from a single dashboard. It basically takes the place of more than 20 different AI tools in one spot. Here's what you get: ChatGPT family, GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, GPT 4.1, GPT 4.5, GPT-4o Mini, GPT Nano, and more. Google Gemini Suite, Gemini 1.5 Pro, Gemini 1.5 Flash, and the speedy Gemini 2.0 Flash. Grok AI models, Grok 1 all the way up to Grok 4. Lots of options for every need. Claude models, Claude 3 Opus plus the latest Sonnet and Haiku versions. Google Veo, Veo 2 and Veo 3 are in the mix too. Kling AI, from Kling 1.5 Pro to Kling 2.1 Master, you're covered. DeepSeek AI, DeepSeek V3, R1, and Coder V2 for your coding adventures. 11 Labs Voice AI, 11 V3 Alpha along with Multilingual V2 and Super Fast Flash V2.5 and Turbo V2.5. DAL E-Image AI, DAL E versions 2 and the awesome DAL E3 for creative images. Stable Diffusion, all versions from Stable Diffusion. Meta Llama models, Llama generations from version 1 up to 3, including Code Llama. Basically, a whole toolbox of top-tier AIs at your fingertips. Multi-version switcher, pin the exact model version you want for each project, like GPT-4.1 for research or Claude 3.7 for long-form writing. Universal prompt router, it automatically picks the best model for your task, whether it's copy, code, images, voice, or video. Auto fallback and smart retries. If one provider is busy, your job still gets done. No worries. Real-time multimodal chat. Chat with text, images, PDFs, audio, and video all in one place. Video Gen Studio. Use Veo 3 plus Kling 2.1 pipelines to go from storyboard to shot list to final render, with upscaling included. Agent Builder no code. Build custom task agents with tools and memory. No coding needed, and schedule them to run when you want. Workflow automations. Chain prompts together and set up triggers with webhooks or Zapier. Pabbly integration. Team workspaces and roles. Easily invite teammates or clients, manage roles securely, and share templates without hassle. Knowledge and RAG. Upload files or URLs to create collections. Ask questions and get answers with citations included. One-click benchmarking. Instantly compare quality, speed, and cost across models using your own test set. Cost Guard. Keep tabs on usage live with per-project caps and forecasts so there are no surprises later on. Image Lab. Play around with SDXL models. Use ControlNet. Add face, pose references. Remove backgrounds. Upscale images by 4 multiplied, all right here. Voice Lab 2.0. Clone voices faster than ever before, with cleaner sound profiles and script timing controls built in. Audit and compliance tools. Content moderation? Check. Logs? Exports? Org-level policies? All covered. Plus, you'll automatically get free access to future versions. Just log in, pick what you want to do or let Auto AI decide. Choose a model if you like, then hit go. No limits. No token walls. No extra payments needed. And the best part? You pay once and get lifetime access. No monthly fees. Ready to experience the future of creation without limits? Get lifetime access to QuantumVerse AI today. Spaces are filling fast. Don't miss out on total control and the ultimate freedom in all things AI. Grab QuantumVerse AI now by clicking the link below. Don't miss out before this deal's gone.